If I could go back to when I was 22, I wouldn't chase trends or crypto. I wouldn't waste hours scrolling through job boards or obsessing over degrees. I'd change one thing: how I spent my time learning. Because at 22, I thought I had time. But time isn't the problem. How we use it is. I remember waiting for the right opportunity, thinking someone would notice my potential. But here's the truth. Nobody comes to rescue you in your 20s. You have to build your own ladder. The first thing I'd learn if I were 22 again: sales. Not door-to-door sales, but how to communicate value. Whether you're applying for a job, freelancing, or even convincing your manager to promote you, sales is everywhere. It's about confidence, listening, and knowing how to position yourself. That one skill alone opens more doors than most degrees. Next, I'd stop dabbling in 10 different things and instead master one high-value skill: Excel, Power BI, video editing, writing, digital marketing. Pick one. Go deep. Build a portfolio. Show your work. Because in today's world, no one cares what you say you know. They care what you can prove. Start posting your work online. You'll be surprised who's watching. Another thing I wish I understood at 22 is how to learn faster. Not the boring way, but through online courses, YouTube, and doing. The truth is, if you can learn quickly, you can adapt quickly. And that's a superpower in today's economy. Learn, apply, teach others, repeat. Also, I wish someone taught me the real meaning of money. Not just how to earn it, but how to manage it. I would have started budgeting, saving, and investing sooner. I spent too much trying to look successful rather than building real financial freedom. At 22, your best investment is not stocks. It's your skills and habits. Finally, if I could speak to my 22-year-old self, I'd say this: it's okay to start small. Everyone feels behind. Everyone seems ahead. But comparison kills momentum. Don't rush to be viral. Focus on being valuable. Make mistakes. Post your progress. And stop waiting for someone to choose you. Choose yourself. Because your future self is watching you and hoping you don't waste these powerful years.